No wall can divide us, no matter how high. No storm can untie us, for all it may try. We're all leaves on the same tree, under one sky. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. We belong to each other. We are sister and brother, born to love one another. It's whispered by the wind to all living things. It's in every sunrise. It's what the wild bird sings. It shines in newborn eyes, faces lined and warm. It's the tie that binds us all. It won't be untorn. We belong to each other. We are sister and brother, born to love one another. We are ancient stars, turn flesh and bone. We're all travelers on a bus ride home. Yeah, we laugh and we cry, we rise and we fall. Yeah, we may fuss and we fight, but through it all, we belong to each other. We are sister and brother, born to love one another. We belong to each other. We belong to each sister, each sister, each sister, and brother, and brother, and brother. Born to love, born to love, born to love one another. Yeah, yeah. We're all leaves on the same tree, waves on the same sea. You and me, you and me, you and me. We